Poke a hole in the potato skin. Put olive oil in a bowl. Add salt. Coat the potatoes with olive oil and salt. Put the potatoes on a roasting pan with grill rack. Sprinkle the potatoes with olive oil and salt. Bake the potatoes for 40 minutes. Cut chives. Cut spring onions. Put corn in a bowl. Add tuna. Add lemon juice. Add fine herbs. Add Dijon mustard. Add mayonnaise. Put the baked potatoes on a cutting board. Slice the baked potatoes. Put the sliced potatoes on a plate. Add the tuna filling. Ready to serve. Have a nice meal.